Hello, this is Flat Renovation Update Day 73, or should I say, the final video, because guess what? After nearly 2 years, we are finally done. So let me finally give you a tour of the finished apartment. So this is the kitchen over here. Got the bar stools, the coffee area, microwave, oven, hob, everything you need, sink, kitchen, fridge. Getting so excited here. Got a nice plant in the corner, got the light underneath. What else? That's pretty much the kitchen. Over here we've got a nice mirror, table with some ornaments, looking very good. Let's see the bathroom. We've got the medicine cabinet up, we've got the towel holder up, toilet roll, some more towels over here, glass for the shower, looking very nice. I'll show you from this angle as well. There we go. Enough of that. Okay, back into the kitchen area, and then we got the cupboards, which you have seen, which I think look really nice. And then we got the bedroom. This is the bed area with the really nice looking lights, lamps. Okay, that's the bed. And then we got a fan over here, very important for summer, with the bookcase with a whole lot of books, cooking books, ornaments, more books. And then over here we have the Skyworth 55-inch Android TV, which is a really nice TV. Runs loads of apps, YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime, whatever else it's got, games, really nice TV. And there's a TV unit. And then here's the couch, which you've seen with the coffee table, a nice print of Cape Town. And then over here is the dining room table with the pictures on the wall. And then over here is the working area. So that's pretty much it. That's the apartment. Finally done. It's great to finally be done, to be honest with you. And now I will just sit back and relax. And that's it.